Knowing how your immune system works and how to strengthen it is key to staying healthy. We'll walk you through a comprehensive guide to understanding and boosting your immunity. Ready? Let's go. First, we will discuss with is immunity. Imagine an army inside you, working tirelessly to protect you every second of the day. This army is your immune system, your body's natural defense against harmful invaders. When immune cells detect signs of a tumor or infection, they realize something is wrong. They then carry this information to the lymph nodes, which act as the command center for the immune system, to start an immune response. What is immunology? Immunology is the science that explores how our immune system identifies and fights infections, toxins, and even cancer cells while maintaining peace with our own body. The two arms of immunity: innate immunity, adaptive immunity. 1. Innate immunity. Innate immunity is like the security guard of our body. It's fast, non-specific, and always ready. Physical barriers like skin and specialized cells, such as macrophages and neutrophils, form our first line of defense. 2. Adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity, on the other hand, is our highly skilled detective squad. It's slower to act but precise and long-lasting. It learns to recognize invaders and keeps a memory for future battles. Let us know how immunity works. Types of immune responses. Our immune system has two major 1. Cell-mediated immunity, led by T cells, targets infected cells. 2. Humoral immunity, driven by B cells, produces antibodies to neutralize pathogens. 1. Cell-mediated immune response. A. T cells, which can kill infected cells or call for backup B. Helper T cells. Activate B cells and other immune cells. Cytotoxic T cells. Eliminate infected or abnormal cells using perforin and granzymes D. Regulatory T cells. TREGs. Suppress overactive immune responses, preventing autoimmunity. Memory T cells. Enable rapid responses to recurrent infections. 2. Humoral immunity. A. B cells. The antibody factories B. Memory. B cells. Provide quicker responses upon reinfections. Antibodies neutralize pathogens, enhance phagocytosis, and activate the complement system. Another important protein's messengers coordinating the immune response, called cytokines. Cytokines are signaling proteins that regulate immune responses. Cytokines mediate, inducing inflammation by recruiting immune cells to infection sites, immune cell activation by enhancing responses of T cells, B cells, and macrophages, bridging innate and adaptive immunity. Common cytokines include interleukins, ILs, will regulate immune cell growth and activation. Interferons, IFNs, will provide antiviral defense. Tumor necrosis factor, TNF, will promote inflammation and cell death. Interferon gamma, an important cytokine secreted by T lymphocytes, in promoting social brain functions. Macrophages, the scavengers that engulf and destroy invaders, engulf pathogens and present antigens to T cells, secrete cytokines to recruit additional immune cells. Disorders of the immune system. When the immune system is too weak, infections like pneumonia can take hold. If it's overactive, it may attack healthy tissues, causing autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Are you immunocompromised? Hello, friends. We will look into the comprehensive guide to understanding and strengthening your immune system. Understanding whether your immune system is weakened and how to strengthen it can empower you to lead a healthier, more resilient life. Let's begin. How to recognize a weak immune system. Our body gives us subtle signs when the immune system is underperforming. Frequent or severe infections. If you often suffer from sinusitis, ear infections, or pneumonia, your immunity might need support. Slow wound healing. Cuts and burns taking longer than usual to heal could indicate weakened defenses. Chronic fatigue, persistent tiredness even after rest might point to immune imbalance. Digestive issues. Frequent diarrhea or abdominal pain can result from a disrupted gut microbiome, which plays a key role in immunity. Skin problems. Rashes, dry skin, or fungal infections may also signal an underlying immune issue. What are the medical conditions that weaken immunity? Diabetes. High blood sugar disrupts immune cell function, increasing infection risks and delaying wound healing. Kidney disease. Toxins in the blood and altered immune signaling can leave you more vulnerable to infections. Liver disease. A diseased liver produces fewer proteins essential for immunity, increasing susceptibility to bacterial and systemic infections. Cancer. Blood cancers like leukemia impair white blood cell production, and treatments like chemotherapy can suppress immunity further. Autoimmune diseases. Conditions like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis often involve immune system dysfunction. Lifestyle and environmental factors impact immune health. Poor nutrition. Deficiency in nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and iron weakens immunity. Chronic stress. Elevated cortisol levels suppress immune responses over time. Sleep deprivation. Skimping on sleep can hamper the regeneration of immune cells. Medications. Long-term use of steroids, chemotherapy, or immunosuppressive drugs can impair immunity. What are the diagnostic tools to assess immunity? If you suspect a weakened immune system, medical tests can help. Complete blood count, CBC, measures levels of white blood cells which fight infections. Immunoglobulin tests detects antibody deficiencies. Lymphocyte subset analysis identifies imbalances in TB and NK cells. Specialized tests includes genetic testing and T-cell function assessments for rare conditions. How to strengthening your immune system. There's much you can do to boost your immunity. Major strategies considered for immune boost. 1. Balanced nutrition. Prioritize colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Focus on immune-supportive nutrients like vitamin C, citrus fruits, zinc, pumpkin seeds, and vitamin D, sunlight and fatty fish. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Stimulates white blood cell production to fight infections. Stimulates white blood cell production to fight infections. Food sources. Citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli. Beta-carotene. Converts to vitamin A, supporting mucosal barriers and immune cell function. Food sources. Carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and mangoes. 3. Antioxidants. Neutralize oxidative stress and support immune repair mechanisms. Food sources. Berries, nuts, seeds, green tea, and dark chocolate. 4. Vitamin D. Enhances pathogen-fighting capabilities and reduces inflammation. Sources. Sunlight exposure, fatty fish, and fortified foods. 5. Vitamin E. Protects immune cells from oxidative damage and boosts T-cell function. Protects immune cells from oxidative damage and boosts T-cell function. 6. Zinc, vital for T-cell activation and wound healing. Sources. Oysters, pumpkin seeds, beans, and lentils. 7. Selenium. Supports antioxidant enzymes and reduces inflammation. Sources. Brazil nuts, eggs, sunflower seeds, and fish. 8. B vitamins, B6, B9, B12. Crucial for DNA synthesis and immune cell function. Sources. Leafy greens, legumes, poultry, fish, and fortified cereals. 9. Regular exercise. Moderate activities like walking or yoga can improve circulation and enhance immune responses. 10. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours nightly to allow immune cells to regenerate. 11. Stress management. Try mindfulness, meditation, or engaging in hobbies to lower stress levels. 12. Vaccinations. Stay updated on recommended vaccines to provide targeted protection. 13. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity triggers chronic inflammation, so balanced eating and activity are key. 14. Gut health. Include probiotic foods like yogurt and fiber-rich prebiotics like bananas to nourish your gut microbiome. Minor strategies. Stay hydrated as water supports cellular functions. Incorporate spices like turmeric and ginger for their anti-inflammatory properties. Cold showers may improve circulation and stimulate immune responses. Current research in immune boosting. Recent studies shows metformin, commonly prescribed as the first-line treatment for type 2 diabetes, also addresses various aspects of aging. This includes reducing metabolic imbalances in immune cells, lowering inflammation, and combating immunosenescence. Senolytics like visitin targets and kill senescent cells and improve the immune response. When to seek medical advice. Consult a doctor if you experience frequent or severe infections, persistent fatigue or digestive issues, a medical history of chronic diseases or immune-suppressing medications. Finally, building and maintaining a resilient immune system is an ongoing journey. By adopting healthy habits and addressing any underlying conditions, you can significantly enhance your immunity. Remember, a strong immune system supports not just physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Let's make immunity our ally for a healthier, brighter future.